Hello friends, welcome to DCS Techie. This is Yashvanthan. Today we are going to see about the cinematic shots. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get a notification. Cinematic shots are a series of frames that run uninterrupted in a visually appealing or unique way. Cinematography is all about the art of visual storytelling. Aside from skillfully operating a camera and setting up the lighting for every scene, it involves controlling what the viewer sees and how the image is presented to them, by choosing the right shooting techniques that best tell the story. Directors and cinematographers should have a deep grab bag of shots to choose from. I collected some best shots from movies and compiled them for your reference. Kindly check my channel for best shot collection videos. Film productions spend a lot of time planning everything because they know that's how to make cinematic video shine. They don't just start filming and hope for the best. To tell a story. As a director, or cinematographer or editor, you have immense power over your viewers' eyes and attention. When it comes to shaping characters and conveying emotion, the actors aren't the only ones on set doing the heavy lifting. The framing, lighting, and perspective of a film shot can reveal so much about a character's emotions and inner life. The pre-planning process will be a vital step for your cinematic video. Satisfying your audience, delivering information, entertainment, and emotional connection is likely one of the most important goals for everything you produce. Once you've got your dream shot in the can, the real fun can begin. Filmmakers often utilize cinematic shots to present ideas, narrative elements, movement, and emotion to the audience. Though there are no definite rules to the making of it, many would agree that a cinematic look video features unique storytelling. You can impress viewers with thoughtful composition, delicate lighting, subtle color grading, engaging music, and sound effects, thrilling camera movements like a long take, choreography, slow motion, and other visual effects. A camera movement refers to the way a camera shifts to visually narrate and shape a viewer's perspective of a scene. In filmmaking, movement giving you more opportunities to woo your audience with your visual storytelling. Slow motion video allows us to fully take in fast action. No more blink and you missed it moments. You get to see what happened. This is why it's so popular in the world of sports and action movies. Adding cinematic music and sound effects is another key factor that defines a cinematic video. Adding the proper cinematic music or sound effects to your film can effectively heighten the atmosphere and shape the character's emotional response. Striking visuals don't hold the same weight without strong cinematic sound design to back them up. Sound design is how filmmakers flesh out the oral world of a film to enhance the mood, atmosphere, and/or tone. Sound design is the final and most important element needed to create an immersive experience for the audience. Cinematic lighting techniques. Apart from the aesthetic composition, a cinematic video also features dramatic lighting, another powerful way to create depth and shape a character's personality. Color grading video footage is one of the most effective ways to add a touch of cinematic look to your movie and set the tone for the video footage. The single biggest difference between professional-looking visuals and amateurish-looking video is color grading. Fine-tune the color temperature, contrast, saturation, tint, shadow, vignette, etc. to get the atmosphere you prefer. In Hollywood movies, visual effects are a huge part of storytelling. A lot of the time, it doesn't matter how well written the script is, if the special effects are not convincing enough, the audience won't believe it. They can give viewers a better understanding of the story being told and allow filmmakers to add a sense of scale to the experience. Research film techniques and cinematic techniques that relate to the subject matter and elicit the intended emotional responses from an audience. Study great cinematographers. Even the greats studied the greats. The film is the contemporary definition of cinema that communicates ideas, stories, perceptions, feelings, beauty, or experiences by the means of recorded or programmed moving images along with other stimulations. Even when filmmaking rules apply to most test cases, they should not be mistaken for universal laws. Break the rules by using your intuition. Digital Cinema Scissors Technical Procedures for Creative Edit and Aesthetic Final Delivery. This book is available on Amazon Kindle and it is also available as a paperback version. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.